One more important point you have to understand with reference to object. An object is a real thing. Any object you take, it is a real thing. Wherever a real thing is there, the corresponding blueprint is required. Suppose you want to construct a building. What is the first step? What is the essential prerequisite for that? You must develop a blueprint. Blueprint? Of course, blueprint means an architect may not write it on the paper, but you have a clear idea. This many rooms, this much, these are the dimensions and all that. That is also a imaginary blueprint. So, without a blueprint, you never start a construction of any building. In the same way, for any object, object means real thing, the essential prerequisite is first we have to develop its blueprint. In this context, now what I am telling, every object, then what is some prerequisite is there? What is that? For an object, a blueprint is required. That a blueprint is called class. So, what is first? First, you have to define a class. The class contains all the abstract features like brand, name, CC, price, number of seats, type of fuel, etc. and all that it defines. And this is the object. Once you define the object, your car is Innova car. Innova car means for all this you have values. Innova car name, which brand, Toyota, its CC is 1400 plus, like that. For everything you can get the values. Now you see that car. You see the car, it is abstract. Now MyCar means specific features. UrCar, specific features. MyCar is Toyota Innova. Your car is Hyundai's Eon. Understand? Then in such case, specific, as far as this is concerned, specific values are there. Whatever characters, suppose A, B, C, D, E characteristics, it is defining. These are abstract. Once it comes to MyCar, with reference to MyCar, for all these things values are there. And with reference to UrCar, for all these 5 values are there. Understand? So, class is the blueprint for every object. This point you have to understand. Thereafter, now we see same example, dog. Dog means it is a list of abstract features. It is having a name, it is having a breed, it is having a color, and it is having a certain behavior, etc. and all that. All these A, B, C, D, E are there, abstract features. Now, my dog's name is Bunty. It is a object. Yours dog name is Babloo. It is a specific name. Now, as far as Bunty is concerned, for A certain value is there, B certain value is there, C certain value is there, D certain value is there, and E also certain value is there. As far as Babloo is concerned, for A, B, C, D, E certain values are there. In this manner, you have to understand the object. So, in Python, object is the abstraction for data.